DJ Diwata, and for today's vlog, 2-in-1, 2 cover songs in 1 reaction video, and I will be reacting to 2 cover songs of Mission Souls, and these are Twist and Shout, of course, popularized by none other than Beatles, published 7 days ago with 29,000 views, and of course, Kiss Me, popularized by none other than Sixpence, None the Richer, published 4 days ago with 26,000 views. And since it's my day off, I want to take this opportunity para makagawa ng reaction video natin sa napakagandang at napaka-fresh na ambience ni DJB. Ayan, meron akong fountain sa aking likod, kaya naman samantalahin na natin. I'm pretty sure magma-match or ang background natin ay magma-match sa galing ng Mission Souls. Kaya let's go, pakinggan na natin ang kanilang mga cover songs. Okay, pakinggan na natin ang Beatles.
We're shaking up, baby.
Wow.
Baby. Twist and shout. Twist and shout. Come on, come on, come on, come on, baby. Now. Come on, baby. Come on and work it on out. Work it on out. Well, you're working out, honey. Work it on out. You know you look so good. Look so good. You know you got me going now. Just like I knew you would. Shake it up, baby, now. Twist and shout. Twist and shout. Come on, come on, come on, come on, baby, now. Come on, baby. Come on and work it
Ito na naman tayo dito.
out. You know you twist a little girl. Twist a little girl. You know you twist so fine. Twist so fine. Come on and twist a little closer now. Twist a little closer. And let me know that you're mine. Know you're mine.
Wow! Wow! Ang ating Rockstar Princess, ang galing! Ay! Oh, sabi niyo sa inyo, pagmamatch yung background ko eh.
We're shaking up, baby, now. Twist and shout. Twist and shout. Come on, come on, come on, come on, baby, now.
Diyan lang sa si Mami Sheila.
Work it on out. Work it on out. You know you twist a little girl. Twist a little girl. You know you twist so fine. Twist so fine. Come on and twist a little closer now. Twist a little closer. And let me know that you're mine. Know you're mine. We're shaking, 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 baby, now. We're shaking, 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 baby, now. We're shaking, 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 baby, now.
Wow! Galing! Wow, ang galing! Next natin of course, ang Kiss Me. Eto na. Oh, nagpakitang galing na naman si Nases. Hindi lang sa keyboard. Ay! Si Mami Sheila sa keyboard!
Kiss me.
Wow!
Out of the beat Bali night.
Wow!
Beside the green, green grass. Swing, swing. Swing your spinning step. You wear those shoes and I will wear the dress. Oh, kiss me. Beneath the milky twilight, lead me out on the moonlit floor. Lift your open head. Strike up the band and make the fireflies dance. Silver moon sparkling. So kiss me. Kiss me down by the broken tree house. Swing me up on its hanging tire. Bring your flower hat. We'll take the trail marked on your father's map. Oh, kiss me.
Ang galing di mag-play ni Nases. I love it.
I
na-amaze ako! Oh!
Kiss me beneath the milky twilight. Lead me
Ah, sweet!
out on the moonlit floor. Lift your open head, strike up the band and make the fall flies dance.
Oh,
till
look
the
at
moon
that!
sparkles.
Wow!
So kiss me.
Grabe! Ang galing! Loko ko!
So kiss me. So kiss me.
Wow! Go, Mami Sheena!
So kiss me.
Wow, it's easy! Wow, bitin ako! Grabe! Ang galing! Itagtag na natin ang super run! Todo na to! Nabitin ako, hindi na 2 in 1, 3 in 1 na. Let's go sa super run! Okay! Wow! Ang angas ni Ay! Ooh! Wow! Ganda ng get up! Ang cool! Wow!
I got a
Ang cool
small
na kanilang
friend who
get
has a
up,
fat
ah.
friend who had a big friend who gave birth to many friends with a flashlight through the sky. We waited for them to land. I got 2 tall friends who know my small friend.
Look at
Seem to have a
eyes.
problem with you. They got Roman candles, bottle rockets for the vandals who cover the lockers in blue. We're on our way, here we go. We're gonna take over, set it off one last time. Here we come again. We were strangers, now we were pilgrims, role models of the family man. Pioneers and patriarchs, patriots and matriarchs, taking up the promised land.
Astig!
A
Astig!
little
Astig
army,
sila!
we were
Grabe!
commandos, guerrillas with a coat of rings. We felt some opposition from the villains who were wishing we could be cadets and kings. We're on our way, here we go.
Angas!
We're gonna take over, set it off one last time. Here we come again. All systems go. Soon the world will know the fury of attack. Feel the wrath of the Superman. All systems go. Soon the world will know the fury of attack. Feel the wrath of the Superman. Superman. Superman.
Super tasty! Ang galing! Nakakaalis sila! Dito ang galing! Oh! Ang galing!
And if we die before the battle's through, tell your mom,
Ang cool nitong
tell your
cover
dad
na
you're
to, ah.
super rad.
Mm.
We're on our way, here we
Ah!
go. We're gonna take over, set it off one last time. Here we come again. All systems go. Soon the world will know the fury of attack. Feel the wrath of the Superman. Superman.
Ang galing!
All systems go. Soon the world will know the fury of attack. Feel the wrath of the Superman. Superman.
Naaaliw ako
Superman.
kay Ay!
All systems go as we step into the
Grabe! Hindi ko pinakala ito. Makakatatlo ako, ha? Super rock! Oh, galing! Wow! Astig! Oh, di ba? Nagtitinginan sila. They are watching me, okay? So, ayan, I said, 2 in 1 to cover songs in one reaction video. Pero dahil nabitin tayo, diretso na natin yan. 3 in 1 na. O, di ba? Ang galing. From, the music icon, The Beatles, na talaga namang napahanga ako at napasayaw din ako. At ang kanila namang Kiss Me, talagang napakiss me ako sa husay ni Mami Sheena. At kahit na napaka-short lang ng kanyang pagpi-play ng keyboard, ay napapansin natin talagang itong family na to, talagang dinidiscover nila kung ano pa yung talent na mayroon sila, o diba? And tuloy mo yan, Mami Sheena. Wait natin si Daddy Seka naman, at saka si Ice naman, o diba? Sana sa susunod mapakinggan din natin ang voice ni Daddy Seka. And of course, ang Super Rad na talaga namang napaka cool na tipo, nakikinig ako ng alam niyo yung hindi siya orchestra alam niyo yung parang nakikinig ako ng yung band na hindi ko malaman kung anong tawag doon, yung band ba na tumutugtog sa tuwing fiesta, ganon. O di ba, basta from the Beatles, and syempre yung Kiss Me, and itong Iska na talaga naman pinagsama-sama na sa lahat ng generation, pinagsama-sama na ng Mission Souls. Sobra nyo pong galing, Mission Souls, at wala akong masasabi kundi 2 thumbs up. Hindi na 2 thumbs up, actually gusto kong bigyan ng maraming thumbs up kayo, pero dahil dalawa lang yung aking thumb, kaya naman dalawa lang ang pwede nating iganyan, o diba? Pero syempre, salute ako sa family nato, na sobra akong humahanga sa ibinigay na talento, na talaga namang dinidiscover nyo pa kung ano yung mayroon kayo. Ipagpatuloy nyo lang po yan, Mission Souls. Okay? So anyway, ayan, ang ganda ng ambience natin, napakasarap, although medyo inaapuntahan ako, nahiya kasi pinapanood nila ako dito. But anyway, hello po sa inyo dyan. Ayan, once again, if you want to enjoy more of the cover songs from our very own Mission Souls, please don't forget to subscribe, Mission Souls. Ayan, marami kayo mapapakinggan ng mga cover songs na may enjoy nyo. Ang lahat ng generation na talaga namang ina-enjoy din at tugtugin at iparinig sa atin ng Mission Souls, okay? And if you enjoyed watching this reaction video, please don't forget to give your thumbs up. And if you are just new on my channel, please subscribe, and don't forget to click the tiny bell button, all notification bell, to get notified on my next video. And don't forget to subscribe also akin DJP Israel. Thank you so much for always watching my reaction video, and thank you so much for always supporting my channels, okay? So ayan, bye-bye everyone, and once again, this is DJP Diwata, and always remember that music is life, and life is not without music, because music is one of the closest things to a time machine. It brings us back to the memories of yesteryears. Ayan, dumadami na yung tao, medyo nahihiya na ako. I love you all.